Becoming a trashy mcbling vampire in 2008. In this makeup tutorial, I'm channeling your childhood babysitter named Crystal, who only wears Juicy Couture, smells like Victoria's Secret perfume, and is living a double life as a vampire baddie. You know the vibes. So first, I'm starting with a bare face and pink contacts in. And I'm gonna go and prime my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, just smoothing it all over to get ready for the beat that's to come. So to prep blocking my brows, I take isopropyl alcohol and wipe around my brow area just to make sure the Elmers glue lays well. So with that glue stick, you're going to push it into your brow hairs so they're all covered in purple. And then you take your spoolie and brush upwards so that your brows lay flat to your forehead. And then I'm doing that on the other side. It's always hard going around eyebrow piercing, but somehow I make it work. And then you lay your eyebrows with the glue for a second and a third time. Then once that dries, I took my Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation and pat it over my brows so they'll blend into my skin. And then I went in with the foundation all over my face. And to blend my foundation, I'm just using this flat foundation brush. And it feels such like a classic thing to use. I don't know, I feel like people usually use like sponges or like puffs, but I'm like, hey, we're going back to the basics, y'all. Why not? And so now I'm going to conceal my eyebrows once more with the NYX Bear With Me concealer. I use two shades, but this shade is closer to my skin tone just to cancel out like the darkness from my eyebrows getting covered with foundation. Beautiful. And then I took the lighter shade of my concealer, which is about like 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and pat it under my eyes, on my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm taking a concealer brush to blend that in. Yeah. Now to carve my cheekbones, I took my Anastasia Beverly Hills powdered bronzer and put that all over my cheeks. Also to add some warmth to my face, some dimension. And then I set with my Mercier Ultra Blur Loose powder. And I put that under my eyes, on my chin, under my cheekbones, and of course on my big shiny forehead. Perm. Ooh, rawr. Okay, then once my powder sets for a little bit, I wipe it away. And now we're doing the eyebrows. This was the hard part. So I took this water activated eyeliner by Bymelolops, which is called Point Blank. And I was like, oh my God, wish me the best, y'all. Cause I just like took a thin brush and was like, let's just do it. Like, I kind of followed how my brows sit on my face, and I was like, okay, wait, like it's giving C-word. But to do the other side, that's the problem, right? So I took my deep breath, and then I was like, oh Lord, I already flopped. But you know what? With makeup, things can be fixed. So I took my lightest concealer and I went in and cleaned up a little bit, and then it was giving so perfect. So now with my favorite palette ever, the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I took the blue shade and am using that to line my eyes. I love like lining my eyes with sparkly glitter shadow. Like, I don't know, it just is so cute. Then for my brow bone, I'm taking the lightest like pinkish shade in that palette and putting that under my eyebrows just to give that dramatic highlight, which I have been obsessed with for so long. Then with my favorite blush ever, the Nars Blush Indominant, I'm putting that on my cheekbones. And yeah, I love Nars blush so much. I'll say it every time I make a makeup video. They have the best and most pigmented blush. Okay, so for my lashes, I use the Duo Invisible Lash Glue or whatever, the clear lash glue, yeah. And then I have these Monwal lashes, which I got from Amazon. Y'all, I do not know what I looked up, but just look up Monwal lashes and then pick some that are cute. And then after I put my lashes on, I took my Jones Road mascara to blend my falsies with my real lashes and then to add a little oomph to my lower lash line. Then for my lips, obviously I had to do my clear gloss brown liner duo, and so I used this random liner from the beauty supply store, but then the Fenty Gloss Balm in Heat, which I accidentally got. Like, I was never usually buy a lip plumper, but I'm like, hey, it might be cute, like whatever. And then of course I have to add a fake piercing. So with the Duo Lash Glue and then like the little silver rhinestones, I'm adding a Monroe piercing. Now to set my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and oh my gosh, we're done. Like, we are a mcbling baddie right now. Like, it's actually crazy. And also, obviously, I had to show y'all the Junji Ito pin in my hair. So I was fake reading my manga simply because I can't. But oh my god, thank y'all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know I'm not just posting this into the void. You know what I mean? But thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon. Love you. Bye.